substitute.
Oh, what?
I don't know. Let me put it to you this way. I have enough faith in you and in me that I've been a good teacher, that I'm just going to give you information and then I'm going to try you out. I'm going to try you out and I'm going to see and you're going to tell me what you think you should do with what I'm going to ask you. Deal?
All you need is love.
And pizza.
All we need is love.
Okay. Okay. What did I just give you there?
Two equations.
Two, not equations exactly.
Two.
Listen to her. What is it?
Function.
Two functions. I gave you two functions. Okay? Okay? So now this is where my faith comes in. If I tell you to do this, what would you do?
You have both?
You combine both of them.
What would you do? So dictate. What do you do?
Square plus x plus 3 plus the other function.
Like this?
If it was minus.
That sort of comes like logically, right?
Yeah.
That's exactly what you do.
Oh.
It's that easy. Okay? So this would be this would be what?
9.
How we would do it so well.
9x squared. Why miss? It's not minus 6.
Why is it not multiplying?
Yeah, got it.
Why is it 9x squared?
Plus 6 minus
Why is it
Plus
9x squared?
6x.
3x squared plus 6x squared.
Oh, plus.
9x squared. There's a big plus, right? You told me to
Yeah,
add.
but
You told me
but
that.
you closed the thing, so
Because what if this were? You'll see why I closed it.
Minus.
plus
Okay.
6x.
And change everything. Okay.
Plus 6x.
Plus 6x
And minus 2.
minus 2.
Fine.
Yeah.
Now here's the that comes like logically, right?
Yeah.
That makes sense,
Yeah.
right? You're not doing your homework or copying answers or anything, right? Paying attention? Good. So this is this is logical.
Yeah.
The big difference is the way I'm gonna write it. And that is
What?
Oh, that is a
Ah,
Oh, we did that in
It's the
the
same exact thing.
Backdoor thing.
not equals x. This is because this combines the two functions.
Oh,
The
yeah.
thing is that to not write x and x, you just write it once. And you say you have f and g. But you
But
already
what's
had
x? They need to give us a number.
That's traditional.
Okay, is this clear?
Yeah.
So now that you know this, let's try the next one.
I think we
Whoa.
What would you do there?
Oh, that's my difference.
Tell me what to write.
6x squared minus 2x
This
minus
is
5
minus
minus 3x
squared
okay, 3x squared plus x x
same
plus
thing.
3.
It's the same thing. Now, why does Miss Sarah insist on putting it in parentheses?
Because then the minus changes everything.
Because the minus changes everything inside, right, Mr. Lowe? Okay. So you understand what to do.
Yeah.
So out of logic and out of not logic, out of based on past experience and what you just learned, how would you do this?
3x
Squared plus x
You
plus 6.
multiply. No, not
Just figured
yeah.
it proper.
You multiply. So you would have 3x squared plus 8x plus 3
Distribute
times-
and the other one.
6x squared minus 2x minus 3. And then you go nuts multiplying and you get the answer.
You
Okay?
go nuts.
We multiply too much.
So that is the whole lesson.
Oh.
Can you believe how simple that was?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
That.
Can we just go to lesson 1 or 2?
Now, there's a bit of a thing here. Is this understood?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I'm going to give you the weird cases. Because this is really easy, right? Let me give you the weird cases.
This is a short lesson, right?
It is, semi.
Yay.
Come on.
Well, it's gonna be fast to
So
upload.
now I'm gonna add just a little bit of stuff.
Please don't.
Oh boy.
And the domain for this one will be
Reals.
so now I've added more information.
Okay, no, I have no idea.
That is a Greek letter, it's phi. We already talked about phi the
solution.
other day.
No solution.
No, this is phi. So let me write it different. Box. That's phi. Phi. Remember the golden number that we talked about?
The Pope.
Integers.
I love folk.
So now they complicate it just a tad. And they tell you to find
My God.
Whoa, hold on.
What we do exactly what it says.
Easy.
It's
Yeah,
for you
but
to
where's
find
the
I should find
X?
H is 5.
X plus
Oh, in the
3
bracket.
Yeah.
and
2 plus 3 is
plus
X
x
plus
squared
3.
minus 6
plus x squared minus 6, right?
Yeah.
That would
Bracket.
be
times 2
h plus,
Bracket.
hold on. This is x.
times 2
But they don't ask us that.
and times 2
Bracket.
They asked it not times 2. They asked
plus
us
2.
of 2. And what do you do when it says of 2?
I don't know.
Instead of x,
You divide.
You put that.
which is what you want, we put 2. So we've got 2 plus 3 plus 2 squared minus 6.
There's some.
Why not
You
even?
already solved it.
That's because I have to do this one first.
X.
And once I have this one,
Okay.
I substitute it for the 2. You can do it in one blow, but it's confusing, okay? So we've got that this would equal 5 plus 4 minus 6, 5 minus 2, 3.
Oh my gosh.
Okay?
This.
Is this good?
What would the domain for H plus or 5 is?
Ah! So, the domain would have to be the smallest one of the two domains that you have. Out of the reals, they're both infinite, correct?
Yeah.
But which one has more restriction?
Integers.
Integers. So you take the one with the restriction. So your domain here would have to be
Integers. Yeah, that's it.
because that's your restriction. You always take restrictions.
What's the answer?
Almost.
Answer.
Which one?
That's the answer.
That's
Really?
That's such a weird name.
It's just a weird answer. Okay, now.
Oh, dang. Smooth.
Actually, this
Nice.
one would, yes, the domain would be integers. They don't ask for domain.
Yeah.
You just know that you can do it. And the reason why you can do it is because this one is included into this one. Okay? Now, let's do one where one isn't included in the other.
Ah.
Let's go with something strange.
For
And I'm almost done, people. I swear.
Oh boy, it's gonna take 1 hour for it to upload.
Okay, just really quickly.
I love it when that happens.
If h of x equals s plus 3, and the domain is reals, and g of x equals 2x squared plus 5, and the domain is negative integers, what happens here? And they asked us to find h plus g. Now for the sake of time, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do it all in one single blow. Sit up. So we've got a 5 plus 3 plus 2 times 5 squared plus 5. Everybody agree?
Yes.
So I've got 8 plus, how much is this? 25 to 50, 55. This equals 63. This is h plus g. Now, we have have a problem, don't we?
It says negative integers.
We can't even try this one. Because this one is not in this domain. So all of this is fruitless.
There's no solution.
We can't do this. Cannot do. Why not?
Because I have negative integers.
We
But-
can't do it because 5
Positive.
is not a
Negative.
negative integer.
You
So
guys
it
don't
has
know.
to be part of the domain that is happening.
Because my domain is my bag of numbers that I'm able to use. And if they're telling me to only use negative numbers and then they tell me you have to use a positive one, it's not even in my bag. How am I going to use it? I don't even possess it.